Assalamu alaikum everyone, and let's talk about Solana today. So ever since we had a head and shoulder, we've invalidated it. So one left head here and the shoulder right there, you had the neckline, and I gave you the stop loss up at $62. So if you're ever going to cross $62, pretty much crossed it, and ever since it has started to push to the upside once again. I was in a trade in Solana back some few days ago. I was actually stopped, man. I mean, I was kind of stopped. I don't like how I got stopped, but I did get stopped. And at least for now, Solana is probably even looking for $98. So you may want to be a little bit careful if Solana does actually get up to $98 because 90s are a psychological number, because when you think of 90s, you start to think of hundreds and 150s. So we're going to see what happens at 98, especially at 98. Anything that goes to 98, 97, 96, you may want to be careful, because that's where we may even retrace to the downside just momentarily, because it's a psychological number that tells you if you're going to go to 99, that means, okay, it's 100. Or sometimes it happens that if a coin is at 98, you try to sell it at 100, right? You want to sell it at round figure because that's the human nature and psychology. So you may want to be careful if it does go to 90s and something and you're in a profit. Maybe you may consider taking some profit for the trading purposes. If you're in a long-term position here, honestly, I don't really think 98 is enough. I think probably long-term we may be looking at all-time high once again, even 300 and 400s in the future, of course. So at least for now, there's one more thing I want to talk about, and Solana looks like it has one more pattern here. So the party just got started, the party isn't really over. So you're looking for the top here to the bottom. Actually, you know what, we're moving above 100 right now. Okay, so we're getting all the way up to $103. That's the technical target, and I'm going to keep it very, very short right now, and that's going to be another price appreciation of nearly 30% move to the upside. So that's it for this quick one. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.